With 3 bedrooms, a recent renovation, this amazing outdoors area and a 738 square metre site, we've found your new family home. Step into the warmth and elegance of this delightful 1930s bungalow where classic character meets modern comfort. Renovations completed in 2012 include double glazing, rewiring, re-roofing, 2 heat pumps, insulation and a large covered deck, ensuring year-round comfort. Being set on this generous 738 square metre section, zoned for terraced housing, the property is surrounded by mature trees, offering both privacy and natural beauty. The expansive deck creates fantastic indoor-outdoor flow, perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying the stunning sunsets over the Waitakeres. Bifold windows from the kitchen enhance the connection between the living spaces and is ideal for serving up dinner in style. Families will appreciate the fully fenced, secure driveway with a sliding gate, providing a safe space for children or fur babies to play. Storage is abundant with a fantastic underhouse garage and built-in workshop, ideal for weekend projects or hobbies. Located on the border of Avondale and Mount Albert, this property offers unbeatable convenience, just minutes from motorway access, key arterial roads, reliable bus routes, Avondale train station and the vibrant local village. This home is so awesome and sunny and we can't wait to take you through, so give us a call. Come along on the weekend, we look forward to seeing you here.